You can see that data has already been simulated on the surface. These are typically less clear and can be configured as follows. In metrology mode. It should be noted that both in execution mode and metrology mode, it is standard practice to attempt to connect with the devices. In doing so, you continuously receive an error indicating that a connection cannot be established. Solely for simulation, you can disable the auto connection in the settings under execution mode. To make the point cloud clearer, individual measurements can be found under measurements within each group. A group represents a single program that was executed, and within each group, depending on how many starts and stops there were within the program, several measurements are found. Here you can select the appropriate measurements, and under Properties, you can increase the point density by reducing the voxel size, for example, the distance between individual points, and also change the point size.